let's just pray that I wouldn't make your kitchen explode.
No, it's okay, it's okay. Not only are we thief partners now, we're cooking partners.
Oh, yay!
Wait, you blew up a microwave before? Wait, what? Wait, what?
Which one of you is snitching again, huh? Which one of you embarrassing your Oshi in front of her friend?
How did you do that?
I don't know.
Did you put like metal in the microwave? Oh no. Oh no, you didn't.
Yeah, I did.
You did.
I just realized it by now that I actually put an aluminum foiled something.
Oh no! Wait, you posted it on Twitter?
Yes, but not the picture because I was so embarrassed to you know, to let them see the burnt inside of my microwave.
Yeah. Did you have to get a new microwave?
Yes, my mom threw that one away.
You know what? That's okay. Mistakes happen. You were probably tired. You probably forgot.
Yeah. We learn from our mistake, yes.
Yeah, exactly.